Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to install MX Linux on VirtualBox in Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first open your favorite web browser and browse this URL mxlinux.org. Then click on download link. Now choose the desktop environment that you want to use. Then click on this link to download MX Linux ISO image. I am going to download MX Linux with the desktop environment XFC. Click here to download. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After a successful download, open VirtualBox. If you don't have installed VirtualBox, you will find a link in video description how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. I am going to create a new virtual machine. Click on the new button and then enter the virtual machine name. I am going to name it MX Linux. Then select MX Linux ISO image. Select ISO image, then open. Click on next. Now you can modify virtual machines hardware by changing amount of RAM and virtual CPU count. Now I am going to increase the base memory. That means I am going to increase the RAM size and I am going to increase the number of CPU. Then click on next. Create a virtual hard disk. Now you can increase this size. Then click on next. Click on finish button. Now open settings and do this. At first select basic tab. Increase the video memory. You can maximize this and then select expert tab. Enable this extended features and also enable 3D acceleration. Check this box. Click on OK. Now start the virtual machine. Now I am going to enable scaled mode. You can enable full screen mode. Okay. Now select the first option, hit enter. Now open the installer. Select execute. It may take a while for checking installation media. You can change the keyboard settings. Click on this button and then select the keyboard model and keyboard layout. Click on apply and then click on OK. Click on next. Now select the type of installation. I am going to select the first option. Then click on next. Click on start button. Click on next. Now select the location from this drop down list and configure clock. Select time zone from this drop down list. Okay. Also you can select the 24 hours format. Click on next. Now enter username in my case and also enter password for this user and check this box to create an administrator account and enter the root password Enter the same password again, then click on next. That's it. MX Linux installation complete. Now check this box and click on finish button. Hit enter key. Now hit enter key. That's it. Now enter the password for this user. Hit enter to log in and enjoy MX Linux. At first, open terminal emulator and write this command sudo apt update. Hit enter. Now enter the password for this user. Hit enter. It may take a while for updating the system. You can change the display settings. Select the resolution that you want to use from this drop down list. Now I am going to shut down this system. Click here and then select the button shut down. Okay. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.